Good morning, guys. It's Marty. Welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. We are in the car. We're headed to the cave in Elyria, Ohio this morning. So we've been up before the crack of dawn on the road so we can get up here. It's a pretty good drive, but I'm excited. New track. Actually get to run on a couple tracks today. The Carrera track for a Porsche Cup race, and then we've got this beautiful wood track that looks like it's going to be fantastic. So I'm looking forward to it. Shout out to Mike for inviting me, and Ben and Joseph and Daniel and all the other guys that we'll get to meet up with today. Pretty excited. Well, guys, we're about 20 minutes out, and it might take me a minute because we just got stopped by a train. I'm not sure what the name of this little town is, but yeah, we're about 20 miles from the cave. So this might take a minute. It's not a fast-moving train. Who knows how long it is? We could be here a while. So, great. All right, so as I sit here and wait for the train, I'll give you a track update. So we're running 3, maybe 4 classes today. The first one is a Porsche Cup on a Carrera track, and that is just any Porsche 911. Really, the rule is throw silicone tires on it and you're good. I don't have a Scale Auto or an NSR Porsche 911. The only 911 that I have is my Revoslot, so probably not going to be competing in that very well. But again, I'm not coming to the cave to with any ideas of winning. This is really supposed to be kind of a fun day, so that's what we're headed after. The other 2 classes I know that we're going to get through are the NSR GT and NSR Classics. And so I brought my Nationals cars with me, a couple of 908s. They're not really ready, but we'll see how they run. I'm going to try out the DS controller today. Josh and the guys, once I got the DS controller and we saw that it might be a legitimate controller, we decided that we needed a 2-finger extension for the trigger without replacing the trigger, so sort of a snap-on. And Josh has got a prototype waiting for me when I get there, so I'm kind of excited about trying that and see what it does for the DS controller. I think it's going to be a game changer for that, especially the fact that it's a clip-on, snap-on. You don't have to make any changes internally to the controller, so that's going to be key. And if it works out, it's probably going to be sold on Velocity slot car parts. Greg's probably going to carry that because the DS controller is kind of gaining some traction as a really good controller, especially for the price point, under $200. It's really good. Yep, still got a train coming. And guys, we've got another train. This is great. I'm never going to get there. Never going to get there. Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. We are at the cave in Elyria, right? Elyria. We're in Elyria. So we are in Elyria today at the cave. What a great place. We've got a camper and some motorcycles in here, but 2 great tracks. One is a Watkins Glen track, kind of replica, and there's the man of the hour with the pizza. We appreciate that. But what a great kind of club hangout, but we're talking about a beautiful wood track. It was built by Homer Stillwell in Georgia. So Homer, if you somehow get a hold of this video, I'll try to get some good footage of your track in great use today. So we hope you enjoy some of this. My cars aren't ready. We're going to be in the slow heat today, which will be good. So we're going to have fun. Lots of guys from the channel that hang out in the live chat are here this week. We've got Josh and Steve. We've got Daniel. We've got Joseph. We've got Ben and Mike. And this is going to be a fun day. So thanks for joining, and let's go do some racing. Hi, Danica. Got some squeeze there, and then a tight squeeze coming down the hill into this turn. This is the cave. What a great space, man. We got all kinds of space for driver stations. Steve's warming up his coffee. He let it get cold on him. Good morning, buddy. Good to see you, man.
Good luck today.
So I'm going to need it. I have no laps in on this, just 2 lanes. So I went over and got 1 rotation in on the Carrera. It'll be right. It'll be what it is. Yeah. It'll be fun.
That's pretty much
great layout. Yeah,
for
it's
a house
fantastic.
track.
Oh, heck yeah, man. It's fantastic.
I'm loving it. And it's unique enough to where, you know, I'm sure Mike is bored with it or whatever, like once you really, but there's enough to it.
Oh, yeah.
That you can be interested for a while, which is
For
nice
sure.
with a wood track, right?
Yeah.
Because you can't really change it.
Yeah, typically I don't like squeeze sections.
I don't either.
But
it does put some nuance.
But it does change your strategy a little bit, so that's pretty cool. But
yeah, there's a lot to think about.
Yeah.
The drivers' meeting.
Frank's track squeezes when there's that one squeeze and there's just like Jamie's track and then this track are really the only 2 I'm on.
Oh yeah, that's right. Jamie's
got squeeze.
He's got 3 lanes, so it's a little bit easier for him.
Josh, the trigger. That's game changer. Dude, that's game changer. Did you find a spring for yours?
Yeah, at LEB, but
it's not here yet.
Oh,
I
you got
paid
it
for expedited shipping,
and it didn't show up.
No, because it was.
It shows up today, probably.
Post office. Yes, today. The email will come today.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Okay, guys. Glad you all could make it. Looks like a really good turnout. We got 2 tracks we're running today. The Porsche Cup, which is anything goes in that except for the silicone tires and the body, no magnet. Other than that, anything goes. That's on the plastic track. We got the Carrera track. It's 95 feet long, 18 feet long. 18 feet is the footprint, 16 feet on the L. And this one here is 117 feet long. It's 34 feet, 16 feet at that end, 7.5 feet at this end. It's run on 10.7 volts. And Josh. Oh! Dave's got it. Ben and Josh got it.
Sorry, dude. I didn't realize that was good. I would have backed it up to here, Josh.
20 seconds to go.
Go.
Hold it, really.
Hold on. We good? How about that reeling? 1, 2, 3.
One lap is only lap.
Yeah.
Interfere with marshalling.
I want my belly cut off shot.
Okay, it's on.
1, 2, 3.
It's been an hour since I raced this thing.
Nice job.
Well done. Wood track. Butch is my first track, yeah. I got this one. No, I got it. No, I'm good. I just want to get just a little bit of footage from each corner. I try.
They're all magnet. Somebody needs to. You ever pick one up in here? Not really. But I've tried them all. There's about 4 don't fall off over here.
Yeah.
I'll track it.
No, I'm good.
Here, I'll give you $5 if you go slow.
Problem is they look great. They look great. That's the problem, right? Once you have them up, you like having the scenery, but sometimes the scenery gets in the way.
No magnets down.
So smooth and
The actual cameras in the resource program called Cadence Live.
yeah.
And that was pretty good.
Yeah.
You know, I was able to work through it pretty easily and pretty quickly. And yeah,
I realized I was probably a little close from a view standpoint for them. Done that straight.
I wanted to change the red.
they run thunder slots here? Sometimes they run like circle around.
He's the Bodie boat for an 85. Nice job, guys.
Still, if you're that far, yeah, I would put it that
Are we good? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
No, you're right. Hey guys, so I just finished my race with the GT. I improved to 75 laps, I think. Don't know where that's going to land. I'm probably going to leave before the final race is over, but that I'm still at the bottom of the list. But I'm telling you, just a great place at the Cave. I had a great experience. The guys have been fantastic. Really enjoyed Mike and his hospitality. So thank you, Mike. Appreciate it. But yeah, some fun racing. The wood track, the layout is beautiful, and they've done just such a nice job. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you like this. If you like this kind of content, you want to see more, let me know. If you want to see more tracks, I'll try to get some more tracks in. It's fun going and testing your skills and finding out, getting humbled a little bit on the track. But it was fun. Great time today. And in the Porsche Cup, I finished. I don't know where I finished. I think middle of the pack, maybe. So not the best day from start to finish from a place standpoint, but
100% on the fun level. So, yeah. But if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. Guys, thanks. Appreciate it. Have a great day, and go have some fun racing like I did. This was a blast.